All right, number 19. Number 19 combines a bunch of things that we've already done. Okay, it's kind of like number 5, just with a slant. So what we're going to do is we're going to start 2D Sketch. We can either go on this face or this face. Okay, so I like drawing on the top. What we need to do is place a point. Okay, so from this corner, we need to go up 1 inch. Okay, so if you notice, the coordinates are 0, 0. You can go up, and if you notice, the y changes. Okay, so hitting tab, keeping the x at 0, the y can be 1. 1, enter. Okay, so all I did was tab, tab, 1, enter. Okay, so that point is 1 inch away from the side. If you want to just verify it, you can go dimension, click, click, and 1. Okay, hit escape. So, and then we need to go rectangle, and from that point, we need to click and bring it over that way. Okay, obviously if we bring it this way, we're just going to draw a rectangle that we already have. Okay, so we need the one that we're cutting out. We know it goes all the way, so that number is going to be 5, and this one is going to be 1. Enter. Okay, so it's a 5 by 1 inch rectangle. Okay, and I know that because the two sides, so this line is 1, this line is 1, so this has to be 1. Okay. Click finish, extrude, and it needs to go down 1 inch. Click OK. Now, that looks like exactly like 5, but for 19, we have to cut that triangle out. Okay, so start 2D sketch on the side. Okay. And again, we need to go in 1 inch. So with my point tool, okay, I can hit tab. Now this time, this is 1 and that stays 2. Enter. If you notice, that point moved to right there. Okay, obviously if it moves somewhere else that's not on that line, that means the coordinates are off. Okay, you could also always get your line tool and click there and go over 1 inch as well. Okay, so from that point with our line tool, we click. Now we can bring this over here. Okay, so looking at your problem 19, we understand that out of the 2, 1 is remaining. Okay, so out of 2, we need to find the half inch or the half line. Okay, which is the green dot. So click on the green dot, go from there up to the corner, and then complete the shape. Finish sketch, extrude, distance, all. Okay, and that is number 19.